Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A31, and let me show you how to use camera timer on the following device. So just open your camera app, then right here in the middle of the top screen you've got the timer icon. So if you'll click once, you have to select one from the following options, so you can pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds and just click here. As you can see now the picture will be cropped with 10 seconds delay. You can prepare yourself for the photo. And that's it. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, just click here once, select off, and now you can grab a photo just after one click. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can use camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy A31. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.